The 2018 Forest River Cedar Creek Silverback Edition 33IK is the smart choice for the experienced RV'er. Take your trips in comfort and style with this awesome fifth wheel, now available from TerryTown RV Superstore. A double-axle fifth wheel RV, the Cedar Creek 33IK comes equipped with the Dexter safety and performance package that includes Dexter axles, brakes, and suspension. The front landing legs are powered by hydraulics as well. The front and rear exterior coating is Cedar Creek's true pearl gel coat. It's 40% thicker and keeps its high gloss longer. A quiet zone ducted high-performance air conditioner with cold air returns pushes 30% more air into the coach. The living area contains an entertainment system by Jensen that includes a 48-inch LED TV, stereo, and speakers. There's Congoleum Designer Carefree plank flooring and Shaw carpeting in addition to LED lighting throughout this unit. Kitchen features include a full panel backsplash, an upgraded overhead kitchen faucet, self-closing drawer glides, and chestnut glazed maple hardwood cabinet doors. A 10-gallon gas-electric DSI water heater drives the hot water for the 48-inch shower with seat and glass doors in the master bathroom. The master bedroom in the 33IK comes standard with a Serta residential mattress and a Jensen 32-inch LED TV. Visit us at TerryTownRV.com or give us a call at 616-426-6407. Our friendly, experienced salespeople make it their job to help you find the right RV at the right price. Our prices are the lowest in the nation, guaranteed, and our inventory is overflowing with top RV brands. You'll save when you shop with us.